In this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Rode NTH-100 studio headphones. First, let's talk about the price. These headphones retail for around $150. They're available in both black and white finishes, and in the box, you'll get the headphones, an 1/8-inch cable, a 1/4-inch adapter, color-coded clips, and a storage pouch. Next, let's have a look at the design. I'm a huge fan of the Alcantara foam cushions and the ear cups as well as the headrests because they feel cool to the touch and are extremely comfortable. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. The NTH-100s are by far the comfiest pair of headphones that I've ever used, and in my opinion, their biggest selling point. Another cool feature about their design is that the ear cups have an ergonomic shape mimicking the anatomy of your ears instead of a round design like on most other headphones. Inside them, you'll find right and left indicators for easy identification. They also include dual-sided cable attachments, giving you flexibility to choose which side to connect the cable to. And on the top, it comes with a headband locking system, so you can adjust the length of the headrest and lock it in place. Going over the specs, these headphones have a frequency response ranging from 5 Hz all the way up to 35,000 Hz, which is beyond the range of human hearing. They also have a low impedance of only 32 ohms, which means you can power them on pretty much any audio source, from audio interfaces to laptops and even phones. And most importantly, these headphones have a flat frequency response, which means they're not going to try to color the sound, making them perfect for audio production. But wait, why should you even consider buying studio headphones? The reason is consumer headphones like AirPods and Beats tend to enhance the listening experience by boosting certain frequencies. Usually that's in the low end, and what happens is if you try mixing in those headphones, as soon as you listen to that same recording in a different source, let's say the inside of your car, then all of that bass just magically disappears. But it's not that it disappeared, it was just never there to begin with. In contrast, studio headphones are designed to give you a much more faithful representation of the audio you recorded, and most importantly, they will ensure that your mixes translate well regardless of where you listen to them. So after many months of use, what are my overall thoughts of the Rode NTH-100s and who would I recommend them to? Before I share them with you, let me know in the comment section which headphones are you currently using and why are you looking to upgrade. Also, if you enjoy gear reviews like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting with the pros is comfort. I said it once and I'll say it again, the NTH-100s are by far the comfiest pair of headphones that I've ever used. From the ergonomic ear-shaped design to the Alcantara cooling foam, you're going to be able to wear these for long periods of time without experiencing any ear fatigue. A second pro is flexibility. Due to their low impedance, you're going to be able to power them through any audio source, whether that's an audio interface, a laptop, or even a phone, allowing you to both record and mix at a comfortable level wherever you're working from. And speaking of work, if you're somebody working from home and you have to attend a lot of video calls, these headphones are compatible with the Rode NTH microphone, which is sold separately, in case you want to have a more casual setup without relying on your interface or your studio microphone. And a third pro is accuracy. Thanks to their flat frequency response, they're not going to try to color the sound in any way, which means if there are flaws or things that can be improved upon, they're going to let you know. And I'm happy to say that all of my latest YouTube videos have all been mixed through these headphones, and I'm extremely happy with the results. But now, let's talk about the cons. To be honest, I don't have much to say here, but if I'm being extremely nitpicky, here are my 2 critiques. Number 1, these headphones are not foldable. So if you're upgrading from consumer headphones that have that feature, just know they will take up a little bit more space in your bag. And number 2, the included cable is just not very long. If you're going to be recording from your desk, it's going to be perfect. However, if you're working with someone else, let's say a singer, and they're like 10 feet away, you will need to buy a longer cable. But since I'm a solo creator, neither of those are deal breakers. So overall, I think the Rode NTH-100s are an excellent budget pair of studio headphones, and I would definitely recommend them for musicians, content creators, podcasters, and voice actors. If you want to buy them, the link is down in the description below, but if you want to see how they compare to the Beyerdynamics DT770 Pros, then make sure to click on this video.